everyone. I am Abhishek Gorai from class 7 Compassion. In summer vacation, I have learned how to discover new things and how to observe things. Today, I will show you how hydroelectricity helps us in our daily life. Like salt plus water, if we make, it will help us to grow our bird. We can observe it from this experiment. From this it is containing salt and water. And it is an electric bulb. Now, if I put this in the water, it suddenly glows. We observe that like this, hydroelectricity is also produced. The water is a source of electricity. We can observe it from this experiment. Thank you.
And I am going to demonstrate an experiment. In this experiment, we will make a compass. In the mobile, as you can see, which direction is north. As you can see, the north is in this direction. Now, how to make a compass? Listen closely. We need a magnet, a straw or any floatable thing, and an iron piece, and a bowl of water. Take the iron piece and rub it on the magnet for 30 to 20 times in one direction only. Now put the iron piece in or above the floatable thing and now put it in water. As you can see, it is pointing in this direction and it is it is matching. Now if I move it to another direction, it will automatically come to its own original direction. It is because that the pin is magnetized and it has become a magnet, and a magnet always point to the north and south directions. Thank you everyone.
Hi, my name is Srijit Chakraborty from grade 5 Rationality. In my summer vacations, I have learned something new, creative and unique. So let's together make a 3D cube with staple pins. So this is my 3D cube with stable pins. Thank you. Bye bye.